You get directly in the center of the tunnel.
Tunnel! Beep car!
Why are we going slow?
No! That's no fun.
You can't hold your breath if you don't. If traffic isn't cold.
Alright, hold your breath, guys. Wait, not yet. We're not. My butt's asleep, my butt's asleep, my butt's asleep. I don't know where to put it.
Game last night.
My butt's asleep. Here we go.
Wait, really?
My foot is asleep. Oh, I was videoing, I forgot. Let's wave to the people next to us, even though there's nobody next to us. What?
Stick your foot out?
I'll stick my foot out.
I'll stick my foot out.
Yeah, yours is by the wall. I think yours is a little...
What the heck?
What?
Look at me.
Ah! I give up, I die.
We're like halfway right now.
Beep, beep, beep in the tunnel. I beep, beep, beep my horn in the tunnel. Beep, beep, beep my horn in the tunnel.
You used to be able to go through this thing so fast. I hate that you just slow down now. Look, hon.
I think it's just traffic.
Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep. Can I just beep, beep? Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 Alright, we beat in the tunnel.